So this is vibrating here with this noise. And this is super hot. Not sure what to do here, if I turn it off or what. Let's see if we can get the lights. It's only the two lights glowing. I just accidentally bumped this to gas only. But it's not doing anything. So I think I'll just leave it, even though I bumped it up. It was on gas or heat pump, heat or AC, but now I actually bumped it up to standby or gas only and nothing's happening. It just sounds like it's stuck. And like I said, that one black insulated pipe is really vibrating a lot, and it's very hot. Well, this is really hot. I don't know. This just feels warm here. So maybe I'll just shut. Last time I shut this off and nothing happened. So I'll try shutting this off. And again, yeah, nothing happens there. I'll wait a little bit. I'm afraid something's gonna blow or something. Like, it's getting gas, but it's not burning gas. I don't smell anything, so I don't smell any propane. So what fixed this happening once before? Let's see. Garage heat pump is right here. It's 1 and 3, so there. I turned that off and the sound went. So it seems to me if I turn this back on then, that the plenum will be working, and I have this on gas only. So if we have a call for heat, it should pull from the propane tank, which is currently at 60%. I've waited a bit, maybe 2 minutes. I'll turn the heat pump back on. And I'm going to switch this now back from my accidental push to gas only down to normal. But I'm still hearing this. This hum is not going away. So the heat pump's making the noise. So I do see a lot of frost on the unit, as you can see. You can hear the noise. Smells a little bit hot, sort of. did smell more like smoke than steam when I first sniffed it, but now I don't really smell anything. He said to let it go for 15 minutes and see what happens. So I'm going to let it go. I can still kind of hear the hum of that, of the noise that I started recording. So now the fan is going and everything's blowing, but before it wasn't, and I can still hear that hum that I heard when no fans were going. But it seems like everything's working well now. The fan outside is turning where it wasn't before. I just want to get like which ones are, it's hard to tell which ones. Yeah, it's the top 3 that are lit up. And then the front 2. But it seems to be okay now. Maybe that was definitely part of the way this system works. I did wait the 15 minutes, but it didn't take that long for the fans to turn back on. It took about 10. So now again, the noise is still going and the fan is just turned back on again, like it cycled this way just a bit ago. So again, the fans are going and I still hear the hum in the background. We've got off peak, this yellow and this red lit up. These 2 are not lit up. And then on the front, we've got power and electric mode. I feel the vibration here again, but this is not hot now. It is not hot, it's cool to the touch where it has been hot in the past. I can still feel the vibration in there though. So if I can summarize what this video posting to my channel is about, it's pretty much for myself to figure out what that humming noise was. When it first happened, I didn't recall hearing it before, so it seemed like a suspicious noise. And in the end, what I think is going on is it's a part of the system for defrosting something. As you can see from the video, that hum started, it was doing it when there was no frost on the coils. When there was frost on the coils, when I let it go, it shut off. It also seemed to use the fan a little bit while it was humming to kind of move what I assume is heat it's creating for itself, to move that heated air around. So I suspect it's a defrost procedure for the system. I think it's all good. I called help twice and paid a couple $100 for it during this 2025 fall and winter season, and they didn't find anything wrong with anything. So if the hum comes, I'm going to let it roll, because that must be part of what it's supposed to do. In the meantime, I'm also going to defrost the ice off of the coils. Maybe the procedure that I'm talking about, that I've recorded for this video event, can get rid of that ice, but I'm not sure if it can get rid of so much ice. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of a lot of ice when I find a lot of ice. We have rabbits back here that we feed. And I think that'll just help the unit live, so it doesn't have to work so hard to get rid of so much ice, if it even can get rid of so much ice. So I'm finishing up the defrosting now. It's going really well. I did shut the system down from using any kind of using the heat pump at all. So it can only use propane right now, and that's why we see some exhaust coming out of this propane exhaust. This is nice. It's not that warm, so it's warm actually. Warm steam, I suppose. And the butane here, diesel fuel kerosene heater here is defrosting this unit nicely. We still got a little bit left here, so I'll just leave it running. Everything seems pretty safe, so I can just let her fly, come check on it every now and then. And we're all set with this video posting on the 2025 heat pump noise. This seems to be working the best, just draping the whole blanket over the unit. All the ice is almost gone. Of course, the runoff here. Want to make a problem with all this runoff, so I got to think about that a bit. May need to direct the runoff as I've done in my garage. Since my construction glue on the cement catches it and directs it to my drain.